403 times 9 using area model. We're going to take and make sure we draw a box that has 3 spots in it for our 3 digits. Then we will take 400 plus 0, because that 0 in the tens place is still worth 0, plus 3, with our 9 on the side. Then I'm going to take my numbers down and over, because we know to find area it is length times width. So all my numbers came down. Now my 9 is going to go on over into every single box. And we know we're going to multiply. For our first box, we'll go 9 times 4 and then add on our 2 zeros, giving us 3,600. 0 times 9. Remember, friends, 0 times anything is always 0. 3 times 9 is 27. Then let's stack these up. Let's add them together, making sure that we line up our place values and that we write neatly enough to be able to see our own work. When we add this up, it gives us 3,627.